Welcome to Today's Meet. Today's Meet is a service that lets you have a conversation and collaboration in the Web 2.0 world. All you need to do is go to todaysmeet.com. You'll come to this page where it asks you for a little information. First of all, it asks you to name your room. For this video, I'm going to name this room Practice. The red X here tells me that practice is not available, so I need to add something to this to make it available. So I'm going to add the numbers 01, and the green check mark there tells me that Practice 01 is an available name. The next option that I have is how long the room is going to be available. From the pull-down menu here, I can choose from 2 hours up to 1 year. So let's say that I'm using it for something today in the moment. I don't need it after today, so I'm going to choose 1 day. I can also add a Twitter hashtag. A Twitter hashtag is a search tool used in Twitter. If you're familiar with their use, you can certainly pull in information from Twitter into Today's Meet. If you're using it for a brief conversation or something that's targeted and focused, you may want to consider not using the Twitter hashtag, because depending on the popularity of the hashtag, it might pull in a whole lot of information that'll create some noise in your room and make the conversation a little bit more difficult to do. Once I've decided on my options, and it's just these three, I'm going to click on Create Your Room. When I do that, I come to the conversation page. It asks me to put my name in. So I'm going to type my name here and click Join. Anyone else you share this web address with, todaysmeet.com/practice01, or whatever you've named your room, will come to this same page, and they will be asked to put in their name and click Join. And then all you have to do is type your message. Your message goes in this box, and you click Say. The message populates over here on the left-hand side. You can use this in staff meetings, you could use this in the classroom, you could use this at a conference to collect what is called the back channel. The back channel is a conversation that's going on behind the speaker. And you could use that term in the classroom or in a staff meeting as well. You could also use this in lieu of email. Think about sending a whole bunch of emails to everyone and then having to reopen those emails to, let's say you're just trying to decide on snacks for a meeting on Friday. And so you email the 150 people on your staff to find out who's going to bring what, meaning you have to open up 150 emails from your entire staff to find out who's going to participate, who's bringing stuff in, and then coordinate it from there. You can do all of that with Today's Meet. Who can bring snacks for our meeting on Friday? You send this link out to everyone. You could send that in an email, and then you're not getting any emails back. Everyone has the conversation right here in the moment. The last thing is at the bottom. Once the conversation is over, you may want to transcribe it. If you click on transcript at the bottom of the talk box here, you can get a version of it to print. I'm going to click the back button. I can also click on projector mode and see this without the talk box, so that I'm getting the conversation as it comes up on the screen live in real time if I want to use this in like a meeting. And that's it. That's all there is to today's Meet. It's a very easy service to use, not overwhelming if you're not used to the Web 2.0 world, and it gives you a lot of opportunities for feedback and conversation and collaboration that's outside of email and outside of the traditional face-to-face conversations. This kind of tool could be used to focus a conversation before you meet in real time, making your real-time face-to-face conversations that much more rich. Thank you.